Welcome to my channel. I always wanted to do that sitting in the car bit. Did I just ruin movie magic for you? So the artist in me thought that I should give you guys some variety and shoot outside of my house. So that's why I'm shooting inside of my car. To give some zhuzh to my videos, whatever that means. So welcome to my car tour, guys. This is my car. This is a steering wheel. These are the pre-installed seats. I chose the covers. Don't worry, it's not a real leather. No animals were brutally murdered, so my sweaty ass can feel rich. And this is my water bottle to keep me hydrated. What are you guys saying? You didn't click on this video to see the inside of my car. You wanted to know the reality of YouTuber? Well, this is the number one lesson. The reality of a YouTuber is to drag the video before coming to the real point so we can get some watch hours. So let's go on a drive. I'm kidding. The battery is dead. My car is very smart. She's not going anywhere. So should you stay in your house. I think we have shot enough in the car. I'm sweating too much and I think I'm going to pass out from all the carbon dioxide in this car. So let's go. I'm sorry, that was very aggressive. But let's go. I need my phone to shoot the rest of the video. So when you see this, what do you think is going on? Just say your answer out loud. Just humor me and say it out loud. I promise there are no wrong answers. Except if you said she's sleeping. When she's sleeping, she is thinking of a video idea. When she's awake, she is thinking of a video idea. When she is brushing her teeth, she is definitely thinking about a video idea. When she's eating her food, she is thinking about a video idea. Here she is taking a dump. Oh boy, she's taking a dump. What the hell? Damn, you guys are creep. So you guys get it. Being a YouTuber is constantly thinking of ideas. But still, there is a huge problem with that. You can't plan ahead. Because you need to make videos which are relevant at that time. It needs to be unique and very different from any other content which is already out there on the same subject. And one of the ways to find the relevant viral subject is to do some good old Googling. But the problem with that is you can't be an expert on everything which is viral at the time. So now it's the time for the trial and error and hell lot of patience. So let me show you with a very fun example. So let's go. Hi guys, I'm Vidhi. I hope you all are well. So today I thought I'll share with you my favorite coffee recipe. Those of you who don't know, I love coffee. I love everything coffee. Dal. So to make the Dalgona coffee, you need few things. You need instant coffee. You need sugar and a bowl and a whisker and hot water. So let's start. So first I'm going to put coffee, 1 teaspoon of coffee. Now I'm going to add some sugar. One tablespoon of sugar will need. So I added more coffee because I like my coffee to be strong. So if you like your coffee strong, you can add more coffee to it. And we also need hot water. So let me just do that quickly. So now I'm going to add some hot water. So because I've added 2 teaspoons of coffee, I will add 2 teaspoons of water also. So let's just do that. It's 1 and 2. And now we need to mix it. I love this part. I love mixing this coffee by hand. It's a great arm workout as well. So as you can see how thick it has become, it's like a peanut butter. You just need to mix it for 5 to 7 minutes and you'll get a thickness like this. Look at this, how beautiful it looks, isn't it? See? So you need a consistency like this. Now it's time to drink it. So I have this mason jar which I'll be using. So let's just put some ice and milk in it. Let's add some ice. Now some milk. And now it's time to add coffee. Can you look at that? You can add as much as you like. If you like a lot of coffee, add a lot of it. So now it's time to drink. Just mix it a little like this. Whoa! Look at it, how perfect it is. Chini. It's so nice. It's a perfect drink. You should definitely try this. I love this. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell button and comment down below your thoughts and suggestions and give it a thumbs up. Do let me know what kind of content you like to watch. I'm not making anything related to fashion and clothing because I am not getting ready these days, but if you like to watch those kind of videos as well, let me know. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. We are on our way for 100 subscribers. So when I started making these videos last month, in a diary I wrote 2020 I will have 100,000 subscribers. Well, I actually wanted to write 1 million, but I thought that's unreasonable. So 100,000 subscribers I found is reasonable, and we are very soon going to hit 100 subscribers. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell button, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next week. Be kind.